Now see the carbohydrates will enter the body. It is oxidized in a three steps. The first step is glycolysis. In the first step, it will take place in a cytoplasm. Where it will take place? In a cytoplasm of a cell. In this, glucose molecule glucose molecule is converted into pyruvic acid, ATP, NADH2 and the water molecule. Okay, then this pyruvic acid continue to convert into acetyl coenzyme A, as well as it also form NADH2 and the carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, which is released into the atmosphere. Then the second stage takes place, that is called as a tricarbonylation. It is also called as the TCA cycle. It takes place in a mitochondria. Where it takes place? In mitochondria. Here the acetyl coenzyme produced in the first glycolysis process. This acetyl coenzyme enter into the mitochondria, where it is converted by cyclic reaction, that is called the tricarboxylic acid cycle, into the carbon dioxide, water, NADH2 and the FADH2. So finally in the second TCA cycle, this product carbon dioxide, water, NADH2 and the FADH2 are produced. Then after that it completely carried out into the third stage, that is called as a electron transfer chain reaction. It is called as a ETC. Okay. In a second stage, NADH2 and FADH2 produce. NADH2 and FADH2 is produced. That carried in a second stage of electron transfer chain reaction. Here, due to the oxidation reaction, from NADH2, 3 molecules of ATP, and from FADH2, 2 molecules of ATPs are produced. This also takes place only in a mitochondria, where it is also takes place in a mitochondria. Okay. If there is an insufficient amount of carbohydrates, if there is no carbohydrates, sufficient carbohydrates present, then the energy is produced from the protein molecules or from the lipid molecules, energy is also produced. Okay, lipids converted into fatty acids and then into acetyl coenzyme and then into acetyl coenzyme A, and then this acetyl coenzyme then undergoes in a second and then third stage to form the ATP molecule. Similarly, protein also get converted into amino acids, and then from amino acids it form the acetyl coenzyme A. Here this reaction takes place by the Krebs cycle. By Krebs cycle, when the carbohydrate now available, then proteins and the lipids are used for the production of energies. Okay, in this way, in our body, energy is produced. See in your textbook, here see the ATP energy currency, adenosine and the ribose sugars, they together form the ATP molecules, phosphate bonds, and then phosphate bond is formed, adenine, ribose and the phosphate bond. which is converted into adenine, ribose, and inorganic phosphate bond. Okay, and there the energy is released. Here, the process of energy production through the aerobic respiration of carbohydrates is given. How? See, carbohydrates undergo glycolysis. Then in glycolysis, it forms the pyruvic acid. Pyruvic converted into acidic coenzyme, and then by Krebs cycle, it forms the carbon dioxide, water, and the energy. If there is no sufficient carbohydrates, then from lipid, the energy produced, the lipids converted into fatty acid, and the fatty acid converted into acidic coenzyme. The acidic coenzyme into Krebs cycle, by Krebs cycle, converted into carbon dioxide, water, and the energy. Similarly, from protein also, the energy produced, protein converted into amino acids, then amino acid converted into acidic coenzyme, then into Krebs, by Krebs cycle, it converted into the energy. Okay, when there is a means this is taken place by the aerobic respiration. Similarly, anaerobically respiration, living organisms also can be produced. When anaerobic respiration takes place, glucose is converted, goes undergoes glycolysis, and here in glycolysis they form pyruvic acid, pyruvic acids, and pyruvic acid. Means glucose is converted into pyruvic acid. Okay, means in all anaerobic organisms, glycolysis take place. So glucose converted into pyruvic acid. But after conversion of pyruvic acid, then in an organism, first glucose converted pyruvic acid for anaerobically when converted into glycolysis or pyruvic acid, then by fermentation, pyruvic acid converted into alcohol, which is take place in a yeast. In other microbes, glucose converted to pyruvic acids, then fermented, it form the vinegar and the vitamins. Okay, while the erythrocytes in muscle cells, where it aerobically takes place, that time glucose converted to pyruvic acids, and the pyruvic acid under fermentation goes to convert into lactic acids. Okay, this glucose glycolysis by pyruvic acid by fermentation process lactic acids, and then lactic acid erythrocytes. This energy formation take place in our body also when we are our body doing the lot of work or the more, or when we doing exercise. When our body require more energy, in that case anaerobically in our body, that type of the energy formation take place. Okay, thank you so much.